Griffiths and Shakers, Blockchain Bob here, day 2 of 100 on the 100 days of a mid-tech startup. And this is really where the magic is at Customer's House. Friday drinks, as you can see, everybody's having good fun here. Today I achieved a lot. I completely rewrote our pitch deck, which is pretty fun. I'll put the link in the description. I chased a few new leads, which looked very promising. And I connected with 2 new potential data sources that we're going to meet up with next week. So that's also pretty exciting. Friday afternoon drinks here for the opening of Customs House co-working space, and first people I chatted to were private equity investors, and I was like a dog to a bone trying to chase these guys, and then one of the leaders said, just to make it clear, we don't invest in startups. So it was slightly embarrassing, but probably for the best anyway. Alright, see you tomorrow. I'm up to something very exciting tomorrow, something I've never done before, and leave your comments in the description or give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you for day 3 tomorrow. Peace.